everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I received my cloth and paper subscription box in the mail. I have some news for you guys. First of all, this is my second last subscription box. One went through for the month of January, so it hasn't been sent out yet, but that'll be the last box I get. I have canceled this subscription as well as Simply Gilded because I figured a lot of the products I was receiving I just wasn't using. This will be the second last video for cloth and paper that you will see on my channel for now. Okay, so I've already taken everything out of the box, so technically it's not an unboxing, so to speak, but we're going to talk about everything that kind of came. So the first thing is, inside the big black box, there was this little box. It's called Archive. It's kind of meant to look like a book, so it has Archive on the spine of it. Cloth and paper. You open it up and you can keep all of your goodies in here. So this might be an option that I might keep on my bookshelf. We'll see. I can keep, maybe not my inserts, but maybe some of my sticky notes in here. Even if I just keep it on my desk, it'll just be a nice place to hold everything so it's nice and organized and put away. Okay, the other thing that came was this little bag that I'll probably be giving away. That is one of the main things about any subscription box really, is that there are some products that you might like, but there are some products that you won't ever use. So I'll probably give it away to a family member. It's this little bag, little black cloth bag with, a drawstring on it. And then the products inside of this box actually came in a bigger cloth bag. So it just has cloth and paper. This is how the products are being packaged. I'm pretty sure other ones will come like this too. Not 100% because I'm pretty sure this is the only box that you'll get for this year, but you never know. Okay, so I do get the Penspiration. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what that looks like. Okay, and I'm going to write on the back of this card here. Okay, so there are 5 pens, and this one I'm not quite sure why it is in a package. Most of them come outside of a package. Okay, so this is the one that was in the package. It's called Shan's Spinball Gel 0.5. Again, all of these pens have the little tip on the end. Okay, this is actually a really nice pen. I am pleasantly surprised. I am stuck on my Pentel Energel pens because the ink does not smear. To be fair, I have not tested any of these pens ever. Every time they have like a new one. This one feels very scratchy on the paper. And this was kind of interesting to write with. It's kind of large, but it feels like it doesn't have like a nice grip, so it feels like your fingers might slip on the pen. This is Shan's S809. Can't read the rest of it. This is called Checkmark 0.5. Again, I might be giving some of these pens away with my giveaway because to me, I'm just never going to use all of these pens. This one isn't as scratchy and it's still nice. It's still a 0.5. Myself, I'm personally into 0.7 ink. So that's just something that's my personal choice. This is, I'm assuming it's also a 0.5. Yep. Oh, it's blue ink. Okay, that's kind of a nice change. Probably won't use it because, again, I usually just use black gel ink. And this is another marker, I believe. I have one of these. I've got a pink one. Oh, that was interesting. Oh, yeah, it's got a tip on it. That's interesting. Okay, it's not a marker. It is a yellow pen. And it feels like it's like a 0.7, but it's a 0.5 as well. That's interesting. Again, I can't really see that well, that yellow pen, but that's kind of interesting that it's yellow. Okay. Those are the pens, and now we have some journaling cards. So this is a pack. Oh, this is a longer one. So I don't even really know what it says, but it's got something. Simplicity is ultimately a matter of focus. Okay, it says Trouvaille. Means it's a noun. It means lucky or find. I don't know. Okay, and then this says new mindset. Something, not sure. This is the journaling card. This is what it shows is in the box. And then these are the color, or this is the color palette we're looking at. Okay, Then you have this little calendar. Again, this isn't something that I would keep because I don't have room on my desk, people. But it's kind of interesting because it's like raised. It's kind of cool. Something else I probably wouldn't get much use out of are these little tiny greeting cards. Honestly, this will probably go in the giveaway because I don't have any use for these. We also have some sticky notes. It says today. They've got the big ellipse on them. Again, I'm not quite sure why that's a thing. I just, maybe it means like your 2 highlighted like tasks for the day or something. The things that I actually like, I like these. These are transparent tiny page flags. Again, I don't really use page flags per se, but maybe I'll use them as like a mini sticky note. Let's see, I can't really tell if they're really thick or not.
What you do?
They're not really thick. They're very small, but I'll probably use them as like a tiny sticky note with permanent marker. And these are the Luxe page flags. I like these. It says record, but yeah, I kind of like these. I put them with like the reading one. They came with ones like this before, and I really enjoyed those. Actually, I have those in my planner right now. There's only one dashboard this time, which makes me a little sad. It's called Edmonton. I really like the dashboards, but there's only one. And then we have a notepad. This is a large notepad. It says note to self, and it's actually not white. It's kind of off colored. It's almost like this kind of gray, greenish blue tone. It's kind of weird, but I'm not sure if you can see the difference here. And then we have some half letter, because I do get all of my products in half letter size. This is the Reflection Undated Insert. So I actually think that this is kind of a good thing. It's, I don't know if it's like a reflection for like the year, or like because you've got quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, or you could just put one in your planner per year. I don't think I would use one every month. So I'm not quite sure. But they're double-sided. So I mean, if I was to use one a year, that would take a long time to get through, but again, like I've got a lot of goal inserts. I noticed that Cloth and Paper has a lot of like the last few months have been a lot of goal related inserts. So we'll see about these. But yeah, that's it for this subscription box. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Click on the bell notification button, and I will see you all next time. Bye, friends.